Stop. Before you burn those offcuts or throw them in the trash, look at this. This piece of art was made entirely from scraps that were destined for the landfill. In today's video, I'm showing you over 20 scrap wood wall decor and wall art ideas that aren't just beautiful, they are highly profitable. Whether you're a beginner with a hand saw or a pro with a shop full of tools, I'm going to show you how to turn $0 in material into $200 in profit. Let's get to work. The most popular scrap wood art right now is the geometric mosaic. The concept: you use different thicknesses and widths of scrap wood to create a 3D effect. The process: cut your scraps into 2-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch blocks. The key to making this look expensive is the texture. Sand some pieces smooth and leave some rough sawn. The profit potential: people pay a premium for custom textures. A 2x4-foot mosaic can easily sell for $150 to $350 depending on the wood species like walnut or teak scraps. Next is the evergreen mountainscape. This is perfect for nursery rooms or heirloom decor. The technique: use thin plywood scraps or pallet wood. Cut them at 45-degree angles to create peaks. Staining secret: don't buy 10 different stains. Buy one dark stain and dilute it with mineral spirits to create 5 different shades from the same tin. This keeps your plans simple and your costs low. Engagement tip: if you want my specific wall art plans for this mountain design, drop a comment saying plan and I'll send you the link. Making the art is only half the battle. If you want to make money with wood art, you need a strategy. Photography is everything. Don't take a photo of your art on a dirty shop floor. Hang it on a clean white wall with some natural light. This alone doubles your asking price. Pricing formula: material cost $0 plus consumables glue stain $10 plus your hourly rate equals your price. Don't undersell yourself. Where to sell: start on Facebook Marketplace for local sales to avoid shipping. Once you have a bestseller, move to Etsy for a global audience. If you want faster turnovers, try functional art. Scrap wood clocks: just buy a $5 clock mechanism and mount it to a beautiful slab of scrap wood. These sell fast at craft fairs. Minimalist sconces: small blocks of scrap can become luxury wall lighting or air plant holders. The scrap mix advantage: mixing different wood types like pine, oak, and mahogany in one small piece makes it look like a designer item. Your scrap pile is literally a pile of cash waiting to be built. Remember, start simple, focus on your finish, and take great photos. I have a challenge for you. Go to your workshop today, find 5 scraps and make one small piece of art. Post it online and see what happens. If this video gave you a new business idea, hit that like button. And if you want more ways to make money from woodworking, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. I've got a full series coming up on turning pallet wood into profit. Thanks for watching and happy building.